Health Network, for public health.
Hello, all of you have come to the Medical Network channel. Because Vietnamese community health, look forward to the support of you and all of you, to spread the knowledge to the Vietnamese people. If you find a good video, do not forget to click like and subscribe to support the channel.
Oh, you re-listening to audio category nutrition on the Medical Network website.vn. The real reason chia seeds are so good for you. Seems like everyone is chatting about chia lately. Check out the video to find out if these little seeds are worthy of all the hype. If you don't live under a rock, you've definitely noticed how chia seeds have been gaining serious street cred as a superfood. And for good reason. The tiny, round seeds are packed with protein 4 grams per ounce and omega-3 fatty acids, which promote heart health. Chia seeds are a great way to add filling protein to your oatmeal, smoothie, or avocado toast the vegetarian way. You can also use them to make trendy chia seed pudding. Just mix some chia seeds with almond milk or your dairy-free milk of choice and the seeds will develop a gel-like consistency just like pudding. Top your creation with cinnamon, nutmeg, honey, or other natural sweeteners for a satisfying, low-carb breakfast. Studies have shown that consuming chia seeds can help lower blood pressure and cholesterol. Plus, just one serving of the little guys includes 10 grams of fiber, a hit of iron for energy, and 18% of your daily calcium. Still not sure where to start? Try our very own recipe for chia chai pudding, a breakfaster treat showcasing spicy chai flavors in, you guessed it, fatty acid-packed chia seeds. To make the pudding, start by boiling a cup of almond milk. Once the milk begins to bubble, remove from heat and add 3 chai tea bags for that tasty flavoring. Let the tea bags steep for 5 minutes. Here's where the chia seeds come in. Whisk together half a cup of the little superfood seeds, half a cup of yogurt, and half a cup of almond milk into the cool tea mixture. Cover your pudding and place it in the fridge for at least 4 hours or overnight. The moment you wake up, voila! An easy, filling, and ready-to-eat breakfast packed with omega-3s. Source: Health. If you have any questions, please feel free to share your comments below. Please register for the Health Network channel, share this article with your friends and others. Keep track of the next audio. Hope this article will bring you many useful things. Wish you always healthy.